Lieutenant Colonel A.P. Tarapore, a distinguished Indian Army officer, was martyred on September 16, 1965 during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965. As the commanding officer of the Poona Horse Regiment in Sialkot sector, he demonstrated exceptional bravery. On September 11, his regiment faced a counter-attack by Pakistan's armed forces. Despite being injured, he continued to lead his troops, successfully capturing Wazirwali, Jasoran and Botar Dograndi and destroying 60 enemy tanks. However, his tank was eventually hit and caught fire, resulting in his death. For his gallantry, he was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra in 1965. On September 16, 1994, Major Rajiv Kumar June led a crucial Indian Army operation against terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag. Facing heavy gunfire, he skillfully maneuvered behind the attackers and killed one by throwing grenades. Despite being severely injured, Major June continued fighting and killed another terrorist before being martyred. For his extraordinary bravery, he was posthumously awarded the Ashok Chakra, India's highest military honor, and had earlier been awarded the Shaurya Chakra. He was just 24 years old at that time of his sacrifice. On September 16, 1978, Zia-ul-Haq became the President of Pakistan. On July 5, 1977, he led a military coup overthrowing PM Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and establishing military rule. Zia-ul-Haq imposed martial law and assumed leadership of the country, introducing the Constitution of 1979. His regime was marked by strict military control, political repression, and the implementation of Islamic laws. Zia-ul-Haq died in a mysterious plane crash on August 17, 1988, with unconfirmed reports suggesting that dangerous gas hidden in the mango crates may have caused the incident. Papua New Guinea gained independence from Australia on September 16, 1975. Historically, one part of the country was a British colony, while the other was administered by Australia. In 1949, the territories of Papua and New Guinea were merged under Australian administration. By the 1960s and 1970s, growing demands for independence led to stronger political movements and leadership pushing for sovereignty. On the official Independence Day, Papua New Guinea became a fully sovereign nation and established a democratic government with elected representatives. Sir Ronald Ross, a British physician, passed away on September 16, 1932. He is renowned for discovering that malaria is transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito, a breakthrough he made on August 20, 1897 while treating patients in the Madras Presidency. Ross observed that malaria parasite in the mosquito, confirming that the disease spreads through mosquito bites. He conducted numerous experiments to understand malaria's life cycle, injecting infected human blood into mosquitoes and examining them. His discovery revolutionized malaria treatment and prevention, earning him the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1902. September 16 is observed as the World Ozone Day, also known as the International Day for the Prevention of the Ozone Layer. The day aims to raise awareness about the ozone layer's crucial role in shielding Earth from harmful ultraviolet UV rays. Located in the stratosphere, the ozone layer absorbs these rays, protecting life on Earth. Depletion of this layer can lead to increased risk of skin cancers, cataracts, and damage to plants and aquatic life. The United Nations established World Ozone Day in 1994 to highlight the importance of safeguarding the ozone layer.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.